Welcome everybody. We've been given this figure. We are expected to find the value of x. Okay, so we need to solve for x. We've been given this side 4 meters. We don't know this. We have been given this. We have been given this area 48 square meters, and this is 20 square meter. This is 4 meters inside, and this is 7 meters. So if I were to name them as A, B, C, D and E, F, G, what I would do is I would consider the shape EFGB. Now this is a rectangle, so the formula is base times height will be equal to the area. So let me take the height. Let us take FG, which is the height, to be as say some y. So this means the formula 1 can be rewritten as base is 4 meters multiplied with height, which is taken to be as y, is equal to area 20 square meters. So clearly y is going to be 20 over 4. 4 divides 25. So therefore y is 5 meters. So I have got the value of y, which is 5 meters. Okay. So now clearly if you were to connect these 2 points, say H with E, and since you know y is equal to 5, this distance is going to be 5 meters. And clearly we see that CE is equal to DH because of the symmetricity in which the figure is created. So this is going to be 7. Now I do not know this, so we can clearly have the x here. So utilizing or considering the figure, considering DCBA, and that area is given to be as 48, using the formula base times height is equal to area. My base, we are looking for the base, right? So x multiplied by the height is 7 added with 12. That's 7 added with 5. That's going to give me 12. Is equal to area is 48. So 12 times x is equal to 48. So x is equal to 48 over 12, which means x is equal to 4. So x is equal to 4 is the value of x. Now this is the first method, right? You can also solve this in a simpler fashion. How? By completing the figure. Just you extend this line and you complete this figure. Right, so clearly this is going to be reflected here. So 4 meters. This is going to be reflected here. 7. 7 times 4 is what? Base into height is going to be 28. Now 28 added with 20 is what? Is 48. What do you have here? 48. So that means now if I were to take this as some I, GI is equal to BC. the heights are equal. Okay, heights are equal, area, or I would say areas are equal. So this would mean the base or bases should also be equal, right? Once the height and the areas are equal, definitely the base should be equal. So this means, what is the base here? 4. The same base has to be reflected here. So this means x is equal to 4. So this is utilizing the concept of algebra. Okay, this is utilizing the concept of symmetricity. So thank you everybody. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel.